Imagine waking up to realize a robot has just made more money in one night than you'll make in 1 year. No coffee breaks, no sick days, just cold, calculated efficiency. From strawberry picking bots to high-frequency trading algorithms, robots around the globe are quietly pulling in millions every single day. And they're not stopping. So, how exactly are they doing it? And who's cashing in? Let's lift the curtain on the invisible army of machines harvesting fortunes while the world sleeps. When most people think of robots, they picture a humanoid with blinking lights and a metallic voice. But in reality, the robots raking in millions look nothing like that. Their arms in warehouses, drones in the sky, algorithms inside trading computers, and even AI software creating content you're watching right now. And the money they're generating? It's very, very real. In this video, we'll break down how robots are turning nuts, bolts, and code into cold, hard cash, and how their rise is reshaping the economy faster than most people realize. Let's start with the most literal version of harvesting: agriculture. Old-fashioned farming is back-breaking labor. Shortages of labor, harsh weather, and high expenses have long frustrated farmers. Now robots came into action. Firms such as Agrobot, FF Robotics, and Octinian have built sophisticated harvesting machines that can pick fruit using machine vision and robotic arms. Consider Agrobot's strawberry picker, for instance. Equipped with cameras and sensors to spot ripe strawberries, it picks them gently, more quickly and reliably than any human. One robot can work 20+ hours a day, picking thousands of strawberries. Multiply that across farms in California, Spain, and Japan, and you've got millions in produce being harvested without human hands. Why it matters? Fewer workers needed, more product per acre, 24/7 production, which equals to more income for farms and firms. Now let's discuss where the real profit is: logistics. When Amazon acquired Kiva Systems in 2012 for $775 million, everyone thought it was a quirky move. A decade on? Genius! These small orange robots turned Amazon warehouses into hyper-efficient cash machines. Rather than having workers walk miles every day to locate things, Kiva robots bring the shelves to the workers. That shift in itself increased efficiency by more than 40%, cutting costs and speeding up deliveries. The robots cost about $25,000 each, but save Amazon tens of millions annually. Amazon has employed more than 750,000 robots in its warehouses since 2012. And it's not only Amazon. Walmart, JD.com, Ocado, and Alibaba are installing thousands of bots in warehouses. The robot logistics business is valued at more than $100 billion. All the packages that show up on your front porch in a day or less? Count on a robot to have assisted in their delivery and enriched a company at the same time. Something intangible, yet wildly profitable. Robot traders. Let's get on to. High-frequency trading, HFT, is the world of bots making trades in microseconds, faster than any human could blink. Firms like Renaissance Technologies, Citadel, and 2 Sigma use AI algorithms that monitor global markets 24/7. These bots can make millions a day. One famous example, in 2019, Citadel Securities generated more than $6.7 billion in revenue, most of which came from algorithmic trades. They're so fast and advanced that they've created market flash crashes before, such as in 2010, when HFT robots erased $1 trillion in minutes. And yes, bots still generated millions during that mayhem. These machines don't sleep, don't panic, and don't blink. They just trade constantly. Walk into a car factory today and you'll see more robotic arms than humans. Companies like Tesla, Toyota, and BMW rely heavily on robots for welding, assembling, painting, and inspections. At Tesla's gigafactories, some lines are fully autonomous. Robots build robots. These machines can work non-stop and make tens of thousands of parts daily with sub-millimeter precision. As McKinsey notes, automating manufacturing can lower costs by as much as 30%, amounting to hundreds of millions in savings each year for big manufacturers. Leading automation firms such as Fanuc, Japan, ABB Robotics, Switzerland, KUKA, Germany, are selling tens of thousands of units per year, each adding to the more lucrative robot-based economy. Bottom line, These machines are the quiet labor force behind the products we purchase, and they're making a profit with each bolt driven. Robots aren't only lifting crates or stock trading, they're also producing content. Meet the latest generation of AI content creators. ChatGPT writing blog articles, Synthesia producing talking head videos, Pictory, Runway, and HeyGen editing entire YouTube videos, Murph.ai and 11 Labs generate voiceovers. Entire YouTube channels are operated with zero human touch, from script to voiceover to upload. Some of these channels are making $10,000, $50,000 a month, all operated by code. Examples include million-view documentary channels on AI stock market, news bots, million-dollar ad revenue, TikTok pages on AI memes, AI influencers, such as Lil Miquela, signed brand partnerships for hundreds of thousands of dollars, and they have no human face to them. Consider that, a made-up AI persona, earning more than actual humans, exclusively from online performance. Insane, right? Now, let's move forward. That delivery you got in 30 minutes back could have been sent by a robot on wheels or up in the air. Firms such as Zipline, Ghana, US, Starship Technologies, US Europe, Wing, Alphabet, are employing autonomous robots on sidewalks and drones to deliver groceries, medicines, electronics, food. Starship's delivery robots have made more than 6 million deliveries, saving businesses on driver expenses and streamlining service. Zipline is using drones in Rwanda to deliver medical supplies within 30 minutes or less, skipping over bad roads and traffic, and saving lives and money. These robots cut the last-mile delivery price by more than 40%, which for firms such as Walmart or Amazon can translate to hundreds of millions of dollars in annual savings. But all is not profit and advancement. The robot revolution has also raised concerns. McKinsey puts as many as 800 million jobs at risk worldwide by 2030. Transportation, retail, manufacturing, and even white-collar workers are at risk. The argument: are robots freeing us from work or replacing us entirely? From AI replacing call centers to delivery drivers being replaced by robots, the moral and social dilemmas hang over us. Still, some experts argue that robots may create new industries and roles, but only if society adapts quickly. Already on the rise in nations such as Japan and Korea, One Arc Invest forecast believes that automation and AI may contribute $200 trillion to the global economy by 2030. The heavy hitters, Google, Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon, are spending billions on robot R&D, and that translates to the future being less human and much more lucrative. So, how exactly do robots pick millions daily? By picking your groceries, shipping your packages, trading your shares, assembling your automobile, making your entertainment, and in the near future, maybe running your business, so they don't complain, they don't punch a clock, and they're not going away. Whether you are afraid of it or are captivated by it, one thing is for sure: the age of robots isn't arriving, it's already here. The only question is, are you going to compete against the robots or learn to make and profit from them? If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech explanations, and comment below. Would you trust a robot with your job?